हाय फूड यात्री,
आज हम आए हैं कहाँ?
चेन्नई इडली,
क्यों?
ऑथेंटिक चेन्नई का खाना खाने।
कहाँ पे?
सीबीडी बेलापुर में मेरी माँ। और सवाल पूछना है कि चले? तो गाइस, ये जो इडली है ये इनकी सिग्नेचर आइटम है। दे रियली बोस्ट अबाउट देयर इडली। उनको जब हम लोगों ने पूछा था तो दे सेड यू नो दैट दे कुक इट इन ट्रेडिशनल ब्रास कुकर, जो कि ब्रास कुकर बनाना भी सालों से बंद हो गए हैं। बट दी ब्रास कुकर यू विल सी दैट दे आर रियली वेरी बिग. They are being actually fermented for 8 to 9 hours, and that is the reason why you can see how soft they are to eat. So guys, here goes the Chennai idli's favorite idli and their sambar. It's really good, guys.
So the highlight of this vada is it's not double fried. Everything that you get at Chennai idli is fresh, made to order.
I thought that इतना बड़ा है ना, so it would be very heavy. But actually, if you look at it, it is very fluffy and it is not heavy at all.
So one good thing about the sambar is it's made with the small onions, the small shallot-like onions, which has a lot of nutritional value as well as medicinal value. So when you're eating here, you know that you're eating something good. Next we have idiyappam, which is a very interesting looking dish. It's made out of rice flour, steamed, and it is this thin vermicelli kind of a delicacy.
So this is also, you know, there are a lot of tools in the kitchen. इसको बनाने के लिए they had something a presser kind of a thing. जैसे वो चकली रहती है ना, वैसे ही बहुत पतले उसके अंदर दाने थे. They put some batter in that and then they pressed it. और इसको भी जैसे इडली को स्टीम करते हैं ना, वैसे ही इसको स्टीम करके बनाया गया. So see, everything is steamed, जैसे पतले पतले इडली के रेशे हों. This they serve with नारियल की चटनी, and there is a tomato chutney and some coconut milk.
And as you guys must have noticed, they serve everything on banana leaf, which is the traditional way of eating Tamilian food, and also a banana leaf never rots. So it's always clean, always healthy, and when you put steaming hot food on the banana leaf, it actually absorbs all the nutrition, making the food even more nutritious.
This coconut milk is a little bit sweet. So there is a savory part, there is a sweet part. You can eat these idiyappams with them and they taste really very good. So over to our next. These are called as paniyarams. So there is one which is khada paniyaram, जो कि खारा होता है. Another which is sweet paniyaram. ये बनाने के लिए भी there are special molds. So there are these molds which are like, you know, इसके अंदर थोड़े से खड्डे रहते हैं. They put some oil in that and then they put some batter. So if you look at this, the khara paniyaram has some onions inside it and maybe some other masalas, which is to be enjoyed best with the chutneys. Again, the tomato chutney and the coconut chutney. The best part about these things is they're really crispy from outside, yet very soft from inside. Have a look at this. Appam बनाने के लिए भी जो utensil आता है, or the pan which is there, is special. They put the batter and then they shake the whole thing. So if you look at appams, usually they are very thick and fluffy in the middle and very thin on the outer side. I'm sure guys who are from Chennai, who are from down south, this is the place where you would get authentic Chennai-like food. Now, why is that reason?
So all the staff, right from the chef, the cooks, and even the servers are from Tamil Nadu, and that's why you get that authentic Chennai taste over here. You can have these appams with either the tomato chutney, the coconut chutney, but I like it the best with the simple coconut milk.
And these sweet paniyarams, ये जो रहते हैं ना, वो बैटर के अंदर ही इन लोग गुड़ डालते हैं. Again, गुड़ कहा गया है कि that is organic. This you mix with this coconut milk, अच्छे से डुबाओ.
So I've been wanting to try this sweet paniyaram with the coconut chutney because I want to see how that sweet and savory taste comes along. You should definitely try this combination.
Over to our next guys. So this is called as put. ये दो तरीके के हैं, वन विच इज़ मेड विद रेड राइस एंड अदर विच इज़ मेड विद वाइट राइस। इसके भी ना ऐसे मोल्ड्स आते हैं, सो दे फर्स्ट पुट सम कोकोनट इन दिस, देन दे पुट दिस राइस आटा विच इज़ मिक्सड विद घी एंड वाटर, उसके ऊपर वापस कोकोनट डालते हैं एंड देन दे प्रेस इट एंड देन दे स्टीम इट एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ इट। दे सर्व दिस एंड देयर इज़ कोकोनट मिल्क अगेन एंड देन देयर इज़ सम ब्राउन शुगर। So this is a meal in itself. If you look at it, there is rice, which is rice flour, which is steamed. There is a lot of coconut. There is sabji. There is sugar. And lots of. I think this is also an item which you widely find in Kerala. So if you are a Keralite watching this and you stay close to Navi Mumbai or Mumbai, do give this place a visit. I'm sure this will not disappoint you.
So a very random fact about me is I like vegetables, and I like vegetables when they are made in a very basic, very bland manner. What I have here is adai, which is made of a lot of lentils, so obviously it's very high on protein, and it has onions and green chilies in it, and it's served with avial again, because my love for vegetables, so I'm very eager to try this one. So while the adai is slightly on the spicy side thanks to all the green chilies, the avial balances it off because it has carrot and pumpkin, which naturally have a slightly sweet taste to it. So if you want a total paisa vasool lunch, you should definitely come here, because in 150 rupees you get this entire thali with not one or two, 15 different items. So what all you get is sambar, rasam, a gravy, payasam, fruit salad, avial, pickle, yam, aloo gobi sabzi, dal palak, rice, roti, papad and dahi mirchi.
150 रुपये में लिमिटेड मेन्यू है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आओ और दबाते जाओ। टमाटर और प्याज की सब्जी है, थोड़ी सी टैगी है, थोड़ी स्पाइसी है, बट अ परफेक्ट सब्जी। अगेन इन साउथ इंडियन थिंग्स, कोई भी चीज़ आप देखोगे इट्स नॉट फुल ऑफ ऑयल, वेरी वेल बैलेंस्ड विद स्पाइसेस, वेरी गुड टू सेटल डाउन।
I am going to try my roti with avial. Very light taste, very rich taste. गर्मी के लिए I think this is the best meal.
बचपन में जब भी साउथ इंडियन वेडिंग्स में जाते थे ना, तो एक पत्ते पर जो खाना देते थे वो टेम्पल के प्रीस्ट बनाते थे, वैसा खाना ये लग रहा है।
What is a good meal without some good sweets? तो हमारे पास है पायसम, made with good nonetheless.
तो दोस्तों, इतना ज़बरदस्त खाना खाने के बाद अब अपने को चाहिए एक ज़बरदस्त मील।
But
आपका काम अभी होता है
शुरू। Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and
वो घंटी का बटन दबाने को नहीं भूलना। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, इफ़ यू नो जॉइंट्स लाइक दिस which are hidden treasures and you want us to cover, please write into our comments and we will definitely cover them.